You tell me you're scared. You tell me you're weak.
Okay,
But
go.
I know you're stronger than what you think.
Properly.
Have you ever wondered how a mom can give so much love to a child that it hurts sometimes? And yet when they grow older and they can stand on their own 2 feet, they leave us alone, lonely, wishing we can turn back time.
And I'll back you up wherever you're going. I'm going to. I'll follow you.
Jens is only 3 running 4 years old, but I already have that empty feeling every time I look at his photos. I keep watching his videos when he was a baby learning how to talk. His first steps, how he ate everything I put on the table without having him to complain.
Who could foresee the fall?
I love watching his first bike rides when he was learning to balance, his bruises and scrapes, and how he cried for me to kiss the pain away. Anyway guys, enough sentimental thoughts. It makes me smile all the time because I tend to really enjoy life as it is. Too much even. I want to spend every single moment happy with Jens and JP because that's a gift. What is always in the back of my mind is that I don't want to start living when we are already in our 60s, retired and restricted physically. So keep in mind, life starts now. We normally start our day with grocery shopping. It's like our us time. He gets to pick the stuff that we need for the day, and he also gets a treat. You know, small things like a Play-Doh. At this age, they don't really look at the value as long as they can play and enjoy. He goes to his play date after, and I get to do the things for myself. JP is working from home, so we are having the perfect setup for now. And although I'm loving all the time for ourselves, life must go on, and it's almost time to earn a living again to help provide for the family. Anyway, I value the time I spend with Jens. Like everything else in this world, all is temporary. Nothing is permanent. Change will always be constant.